Hello and welcome from Healthful. Easter is coming, so let's get cracking those eggs. We're gonna make inside out eggs. These are actually two family favorites, 2 in 1. Let's take those eggs. I already boiled them. Eggs are fantastic food. It's not only for protein, for what they're famous for, but they are packed with nutrients. They have vitamin D, which we need for strong teeth, for strong bones. They also include phosphorus, also that we need for strong bones. They have vitamin A, which is good for our immunity and also eye health. They have choline, important for brain health. They also have folate, which is specifically important in pregnancy and helps red blood cell production. On top of that, healthy fats and iron, which help to support immunity as well as helps with the transport of oxygen. We're gonna take the boiled egg yolks and put it into the little bowl here. Many children struggle very often to chew those beautiful egg yolks. They're a bit chewy, they're a little bit dry. So with this recipe, we'll be mixing it with some of the avocado and you will see it will be nice and soft and much better to swallow for the kids. Avocados are a fantastic source of fiber, which helps the digestion, which helps also the feeling of satiation. They are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, great for our brains. Together, that will be a very nutritious combo that we're doing here. Additional vitamin C for better absorption for that iron in the eggs. And I'm also gonna add some seasoning. I'm gonna mix it. I like when they are a little bit round here, because then they really resemble those egg yolks. Sprinkle them with the chives. This recipe is really 2 in 1. Now we're gonna be putting eggs into the avocados. I'm gonna remove a little bit of egg white and then safely, without cracking the egg yolk, I'm gonna put it into the avocado. And then we're gonna fill it with the egg white. Season it a little bit to your liking. I have already preheated the oven and off you go. So the egg yolks are still a bit runny, but that's exactly the moment I want to take them out. They will settle still here. I'm gonna sprinkle them with some additional chives. And we're gonna go for the avocado eggs first. Let's dig in. This is so smooth, so nice and creamy. All those nutrients with protein, with fiber, healthy fats, vitamins and minerals. This is just heaven. Part 2, inside and outside eggs. I love it.